Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video we're going to quickly talk about the Bitcoin price section, because right now, as you can see in front of your eyes, Bitcoin has been trading in this downward sloping momentum wave and this downward sloping structure. But I can currently see on the 1 hourly candles that we're creating a reversal signal. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to stick till the end of the video as well. If you enjoy these quick update videos about the market, don't forget to smash up the like button and especially ring up the bell notification if you want to be staying notified about all these market updates that we're giving to you guys out there. So with that being said, let me start off with discussing the Bitcoin price section. So I will be talking about my important trend lines in a second, but before I go in towards these trend lines, let me talk a little bit about the momentum that Bitcoin is currently creating. So we already knew that Bitcoin was creating a bullish divergence earlier on today over here on this range. But if we're then zooming in here, and if we're looking right now to the MACD and the RSI, we are seeing several confirmations coming in towards the market. So what we're right now seeing here is essentially Bitcoin is forming still this lower low structure here in the market. RSI is still forming this higher low structure on the market, and of course what we're right now crucially seeing here is that the MACD is as well confirming that it is right now forming another bottom. So MACD is right now forming as well a higher low. So of course, while we are forming a higher low on the RSI and on the MACD, price action is still forming a lower low on the price chart, of course, is giving me a double bullish divergence right now. So this will be, of course, only strengthening my thoughts that I do expect that Bitcoin could be potentially, of course, run up back towards the upside and shift its momentum higher once again here. Another thing that I want to be going over right now here before going into my important 1 hour trend lines here is the momentum on the 4 hourly chart. So Bitcoin, of course, what are we seeing on this 4 hourly chart? You can clearly see Bitcoin is right now still forming these higher lows than these lows over here. So Bitcoin is forming here, if you compare to this low over here. So Bitcoin forms a low, Bitcoin is right now forming a higher low. And while we are forming this higher low in Bitcoin right now here, we can see if we're connecting these dots here on the RSI that we have been forming a clear lower low on the RSI. So it is not only the 1 hourly time frame right now, because as well, the 4 hourly time frame is right now giving us a clear hidden bullish divergence, what is as well making me pretty excited about the coming hours ahead of us. So that is looking particularly good here. And of course, this could be, of course, really the run up that we are waiting for right now on the minute short term. If I'm then going to look at some important trend lines, we know top side still going to be providing resistance. This is going to be an important level that we have to be breaking here on the top side, and I want to be seeing this level getting broken here. As well, if we're looking towards the downward slope of resistance line, you can see potentially support that we're still getting formed on the lower side as well. You could be approaching it a little bit differently from the higher side, and you can see, okay, we're right now still finding some very strong support on this this downward sloping. Maybe you could be approaching it like a parallel channel. So you can see over here, let me take the parallel tool over here. You can see we are trading in a parallel channel towards the downside. So what is going to be necessary to break this downward sloping parallel channel is, of course, a breakthrough of the top side. So as long as we're finding support on the lower side, looks to be this level is still going to be holding us up here. If we're then going to look at this trend line from the lower side over here, we know that we clearly did broke this trend line and that we're right now, of course, finding rejections on this level. So this, of course, looking a little bit more bearish in the imminent short term. And of course, if we're looking to this trend line over here, you can see as well, we broke through this trend line. We're right now getting rejected by this. So yes, still going to be raising the awareness. It is looking like we're running into critical resistance right now here. It is looking like the Bitcoin is, of course, getting another massive rejection from of this zone here. But what I will be still saying here is that momentum is key on Bitcoin, and that we could be potentially see maybe another minor leg down here to maybe fill up this liquidity that we did found here on the 53.8k here. But in the end of the day, I do think that we're very close to reversal right now on the 1 hourly candle, since this momentum is shifting towards the right direction. So guys, always make sure to keep your eyes on the momentum. As well with my trade, I will be not closing my trade at all right now. I did add some more to my trade just a moment ago, because I'm very comfortable that Bitcoin is going to create another leg up towards the upside anytime soon here. Maybe we're going to dip another $500, but I don't expect a massive pullback right now towards, let's say, these levels around to 52,000 US dollars. I do think that the imminent short term, we could be still seeing another spike towards the upside and still see another high getting created here. So guys, make sure that you're going to pay your attention towards this. Thank you so much for watching this amazing update video here once again on the channel. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash up the like button on the video. If you want to be training, make sure to sign up here with the highest link in the description, because on BYBIT you will be able, of course, to take these trades as well. And I will say you already, of course, no financial advisor whatsoever, this is a good time to be potentially go long here, since we're seeing the market reversals right now coming towards our way here. So I will be always straight trend reversals, and right now we're seeing a clear trend reversal signal, and we could be as well break out of this potential rising falling wedge scenario, or this potential parallel channel, and that could be of course helping us to push up the price together with the bullish divergence that we're creating. I'm very comfortable. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again here. Don't forget to smash up the like button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.